So welcome everyone, good afternoon, and welcome to see this webinar of presentation of the module project. For the next hours, we will share to you some results of the module project. But just before going into the scientific content, I'll just make a quick introduction of the module project. So a module is for modeling of marine dunes, local and large-scale evolution in an offshore wind farm context. This is a collaborative project with 14 partners. You have all partners on the right side of the image. This is the 3-year project that starts in November 2021 and will end next month. And this work was financed in part by the National Research Agency under the France 2030 program. As it is said in the module title, we will talk about marine dunes, and around the coast of France, the only park for now that is concerned about this is the Dunkirk wind farm. And you will see that we will talk about some part of this wind farm. Here you have a simple representation of the location of it. In red, you have the wind farm location, and in blue here, you have the cable corridor. As you can see, we have 3 boxes here on this image, and some bathymetric surveys were performed in the previous project. And as you can see on this picture, we have an extraction of the data collected. We have a lot of dunes, different shapes and different height. For example, you can see here some Barkhan dunes or rectilinear dunes. And for this project, so the objective of this project is to model the dynamics of the underwater dunes or marine dunes at different scale to, 1, predict the impact of the dunes and the dune movements on the component of the offshore wind farm. By components, we mean the cables, the monopile foundation. Here we will talk about monopiles. And the substation. And the second objective is to better understand the resilience of marine dunes after the construction phase. To answer this objective, the project was split into 5 scientific work packages. The 2 first work package, 2 and 3, are numerical modeling of the first one is talk about small local scale processes, so the scoring around the offshore wind farm, the wind farm foundations, sorry, the wind turbine foundations. The third work package look at a larger scale from the dune field to the whole offshore wind farm and the impact of the different components of the wind farm on the marine dune migration. The fourth work package look at physical modeling, so laboratory experiments into channels. The 5th one look at thermic exchange between a buried cable and the surrounding sand. And the last one look at most on the biological aspects of the dune resilience. Today we will present you only the results of 3 of them because we don't want to keep you the whole afternoon. And here is the agenda of this webinar. So we will have 3 presentations, 1 for each work package. For the 4th presentation, we will conclusion from our partners from RTE. We'll talk about the transfer of these results to the offshore renewable energy sector. And we will end this webinar by a Q&A session and try to answer to all your questions. Just for you to know, you should have on the top of your screen a button named Q&A or Q&R for the French version of Teams. When you click on it, it will open a panel where you can ask your question at any time. And we will try to address all questions during the Q&A session at the end of the webinar, if times allows it.